Hi guys, it's Nicole, and today I have a super quick video for you today. I typically only share 3 projects on my channel that I do with the flavors of the month. However, there are 4 kits that come in the flavors of the month. Typically each month I am assigned 1 kit to create what is called a recipe layout. This is what you get access to as a subscriber. So you have access to 4 sort of step-by-step instructions, sample photos, that type of thing, so that if you wanted to, you could follow along and come up with 4 double page layouts that somebody else has already designed for you, given you the cutting instructions, assembly instructions, all of that. These are typically shared on the Scraproom social media, usually around the middle of the month. So if you've ever wondered what's, kind of the subscriber only layouts, that's kind of when you can see them. Obviously, you don't get access to the cutting guides, instructions, all that without being a subscriber, but I did record a little bit this month because I wanted to be able to share that. So I was assigned to do a recipe with the Carta Bella Welcome Winter line. I didn't have any snow photos, and anything that I felt like would have worked with it, I was unable to print because I ran out of printer ink. So in that instance, I just very lightly attach blank photos, and then I can go back and add my photos later. So this is my completed double page layout. This is using only the supplies from the main kit. No add-ons, no extras, nothing from my stash outside of the ink for the edges of the papers, a black pen to kind of put those little dots to make the wood planks look more like wood planks. Everything else is from the papers, the die cuts that came with the main kit. So I just kind of wanted to share this for anybody that's ever wondered, why do I only share 3 out of the 4 kits? Where's the other kit? I believe starting in December, I no longer am going to be assigned to do a recipe. We have a couple new designers that have joined the team. So I think instead I am going to be doing all 4 kits. I'm going to have a video for 3 will live on my channel. The 4th one will live on the Scraproom channel. So definitely head over to their channel and subscribe. But I just wanted to share with you guys a little bit that I don't normally share. So if you were ever wondering, or you just kind of wanted to know what did I do with the 4th kit, here you go. So with that, I'm going to say goodbye and thanks for spending time with me, and I'll catch you guys later.